All right, it's the next day. Use my bucket wrench. These are very handy. A bucket wrench for drywall. You find them in Home Depot in the drywall section. So when you're using the 5-gallon bucket pasteurizing technique for grain spawn, substrate, and my substrate seems to be, it might be a little dry, but I did the wood chips, sawdust, I had some extra VTC. So, what I'll be doing is layering the two different ones, the leftover colonized oyster mushroom tub will be getting mixed in with the sawdust, and see how this goes. And I'm gonna see if I can get this bucket to still produce more oyster mushrooms than what I had last time. Human faces. So a little bit of that. A little bit of this. We'll see how this works out. Might be easier to dump this, I don't know. I can also use this substrate for shiitake mushrooms or whatever else too. I'm gonna give a try out here pretty soon. See if I can get this mushroom growing thing down to a science, because I do want to start to transfer over from a cabinet shop into a mushroom grow. Mostly gourmet mushrooms, but I might check out the market for medicinal mushrooms if that's something that actually is sought after around this area. I do not know. I'm gonna have to research that a little more. Oh, we've got leaves in there. All right. Apparently the stuff at the bottom is a little bit better packed. See, actually, now that this thing has been colonized, it's like a little brick. Like a brick of mycelium and substrate. Feels pretty dry. Hopefully, it will still work. That's why this is an experiment. All right. This is the last of it here. Put one more layer, thick layer of sawdust on top of this. Now put some plastic on it. Put a lid on. Put some plastic over it. Put the lid back on and set it in a dark place for a few days and see if it looks like the mycelium is crawling around in there. All right.
1073 The Eagle, WSGL, St. Petersburg, Tampa, Clearwater, a Cox Media Group station. Live from the 1073 The Eagle studios. Sponsored by Jerry O. G. Brand, the #1 dealer in the country.
Burn oyster mushrooms like wood, way more than grain spawn. So, oh no. I seen the guy from Fresh Cap Mushrooms do this with a 5-gallon bucket and produce some pretty big fruits out of the side of those little tiny holes. It's amazing that a little tiny hole, this big little 1/4-inch hole, you'll get a big batch of mushrooms out of a little tiny hole. So, I think I'll lightly pack it. A little more right on top. Make sure that's covered. All right. Got any of the extra spawn that was in there previously is covered. So let's see what happens if let's take my plastic here. Oh, there's actually some more spawn in here. But colonized all over the bag. I'll just put the bag in here and set it on top. Pull all this off, but I can't just throw it in there. Well, sticky stuff. Hopefully my audio's coming out good on this. I don't know. All right. All right, now I will get, let's see if this is big enough. I got a large zip tie. Oh shoot, look at this. It's a little short. All right, 2 zip ties. All right, that concludes that. I'll keep you posted, and till next time, sayonara.